Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today I would like to present about graph and chart. Let me introduce myself first. My name is NATASYA, 15 DKM 20F 1055, and my teammate is NURUL HUDA binti HASSAN, 15 DKM 20F 1036. The purpose of our presentation is about bar graph set 3. So the table above shows 3 carnival games and the number of visitors at 3 festival sites. First of all, the bar chart illustrates the number of visitors at 3 festival sites between 3 carnival games. In this case, we can make 2 sets of comparison, which is we can look at the change in visitor at 3 festival sites between 3 carnival games. As you can see that the number of visitors goes to the haunted house fractionally higher among the 3 sites as compared to gone fishing and lollipop pool. So we can conclude that haunted house is the most favorite carnival activity for all the visitors to visit. Number of visitors in site 3 is marginally higher than the number of visitors in site 1 and 2, not at 450 visitors respectively. Then we can see that lollipop pool is the least that the visitors go among the 3 sites. From the graph, we can clearly see that site 1 has not marginally lower than the number of visitors in site 2 and 3, recorded 100 visitors only. Lastly, we move on to the next point about the graph, which is gone fishing is somewhat lower as compared to the haunted house among the 3 sites for visitors to visit. The graph also indicates the number of visitors in site 1 is slightly higher than the other site, which is ruled at 250 visitors only. Based on the bar graph, it can be concluded that haunted house is the most favorite carnival activities than the gone fishing and lollipop pool. It is because the haunted house is perfect for the more magic children, especially the adventurous one. Many people like to do a serious adventure. For all participants looking for a scare nowadays.
The bar graph depicts the age of group that visit the stations. The graph is divided into 3 stations, which is a haunted house, lollipop pool, and gone fishing. This bar graph was created to make a compare of the most popular station that visited by the group of age. As you can see, the largest group that visiting the haunted house is between 16 to 20 years old. Has noted a dramatically high number of visits for 450 pupils compared to others group of age. Next, we move on to the next point. The graph also shows the age of group 5 to 10 that visited lollipop pool, exactly 150 pupils, is the highest amount of group that visited lollipop pool than others age of group. Besides, you can also see that when compared to other stations, you can see that visitor for age of 16 to 20 haunted house has hugely shows the difference between station gone fish and lollipop pool. Difference between station lollipop pool and gone fishing with only recorded for 50 visitors for each station. The graph also indicated the group of age 5 to 10 are noted with somewhat higher visiting station gone fishing as compared with the group of age 16 to 20 with others with recorded of 250 people each. Based on the analysis, we can conclude that the age of group that visited haunted house the most is between 16 to 20, while the gone fishing is the group of age for 5 to 10 and 11 to 15, and last but not least, lollipop pop has the most visited group from age 5 to 10. We can conclude from the 2 graphs above that the haunted house is the most popular station that has the visitor for all three sites, with recorded of 1,100 pupils, more than other station, with the highest visitor from all group of age. Followed by the cone fishing with the 600 people and the lollipop pub with only 350 people visit.